Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another amazing video for all of you. For those of you who are coming on to the first time to the channel, The Ancients, let me share a brief about the channel with you. The channel was started on 3rd February 2021 to share information about the beneficial principles of Vastu, astrology, and numerology to ensure health, wealth, success, and positivity for you. Today, we are going to share with you 19 Vastu principles to ensure financial stability and prosperity at your home. The first principle is that always keep your main door clean and well decorated. Second, the color purple indicates wealth, represents wealth. So you can paint your walls in purple or keep a money plant in a purple plot in the southeast of your home, or you can keep purple colored indoor plants at your residence. Third, the cash locker must always be in the south or southwest direction of your home so that the main door of your cash locker opens towards north, towards Lord Kubera. A mirror in front of your locker represents doubling of your wealth. So have a mirror installed in front of your locker. A water fountain in the northeast is very good for financial stability. Ensure that you do not have any leaking faucets, taps, or water containers at your residence. Keep a bird feeder in the northwest of your residence. Fishes in an aquarium in the northeast will help bring about financial stability and keep wealth flowing. Photo of Ma Lakshmi or Lord Kubera near the entrance will ensure financial stability. Keep a flute in the northeast direction of your residence. Keep the northeast free of all clutter and dirt. Ensure especially that nothing heavy is kept in the northeast direction of your residence. The kitchen stove should not be facing the north while burning. This burns away your wealth. Always the kitchen stove must be in the southeast direction or in the east direction, and you must face east while cooking food. All clocks in your residence must show the same time and none of them must have stopped. Remove all cobwebs immediately in your residence. No unwashed dishes to be kept in your kitchen sink, especially at night. Wind chimes will ensure that you always have a flow of wealth energy at your residence. Place the place of your worship always in the northeast. Keep the tulsi plant, the banana tree, and the bale tree at your residence. This will help ensure financial stability. Light camphor at least once a week at your residence. Friends, these 19 tips of Vastu to ensure prosperity, financial stability, and wealth at your residence will go a long way in ensuring that you always have cash at your disposal for any requirements. I request those of you who have come on to the first time to the channel to kindly subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get an update every time I release a new video for you, sharing with you the principles of numerology, Vastu, and astrology for financial success, health, and wealth. Always, always living as per the principles of Vastu, numerology, and astrology will ensure your peace of mind, prosperity, and health. Please also feel free to share these videos with your friends and family so they too can experience the magic of numerology, astrology, and Vastu and ensure they have financial success, health, and peace of mind. Till we meet again on the channel with another amazing video, stay safe, good luck, all the best.